everybody, and welcome to another ABT video.
Welcome everyone.
We've got something really special for you here today, but before we talk about that, I just want to thank all of you guys for following along with the two different build series on the 190E as well as the 964.
We try as hard as we can to reply back to all of your comments. We enjoy reading them because they just give us so much more guidance in which way to go forward for our next videos.
Absolutely. So with that, Bob, do you want to tell us what's going on with our very own 997 RUBYSTONE?
So yeah, we've had a little bit of a request come through. So let's give you a little bit of a backstory about this car. As some of you know, we done a shop build on this car about 2 years ago. Sold it and then bought it back. It had the notorious ball scoring. It's common problem on the 997s, 996s, 997s. So we had the engine rebuilt. While we had the engine rebuild, we done the suspension upgrade to KW, Elephant Racing arms, so many other little bits and pieces. Handles like a go-kart now. While we were doing that, we decided, why don't we change the color? We went RUBYSTONE. Now, Porsche High Wycombe contacted us. They've seen the car through our Instagrams and YouTube, and they've asked us if they could use it for a watch launch this weekend. So we've given the car a quick polish over, and I'm heading off to High Wycombe now to go and get it dropped off. They've also promised me a car in return.
Any ideas what it is?
They've given me a little clue, but carry on watching a little picture somewhere or other of what they've given us.
Actually guys, what would you want to see? If you had the choice of picking any car from a Porsche dealership, what would you go for? Leave it in the comments below.
Leave in the comments below. I did ask for a GT3 RS, but I was promptly told no.
Well, let's see what happens. Perfect. Okay, so we've got some other updates as well this week, right?
Yeah, let's go and have a look at what we've been up to this week. So guys, it's been a pretty busy week this week. We've done a little bit of work on the 190, not too much, not as much as I'd hoped to, but we got a little bit done. You might have seen the Ferrari 550 in the background. It's coming sort of to an end on that now. It's just building up the process. But one thing I do want to talk to you guys about is the Frozen edition BMW in. Now, trust me, they can be a right pain up the rear end. This one, it had a little dent in the quarter panel, and we done the front bumper on this. How difficult is a Frozen or a matte color to paint? It can be difficult, but so long as the conditions are correct, you shouldn't have a problem. We've done a few of these now. What makes it easier is to stick with a good paint manufacturer. So as you guys know, we use Spectral, and our backup with them is phenomenal. They give us the advice that we need when it comes down to things like this. When we get special colors in, it's a case of just picking up the phone and asking them, what's your thoughts on this? And they've got some really good technical reps there. A lot of people say, is the paint really expensive? No, the paint itself isn't no more expensive than your normal colors, but the process is different. Preparation has to be absolutely spot on. There is no give on this. Normally we would change our spray booth filters every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on what sort of a month we've had. Frozen edition paint or a matte paint, we will only ever paint with fresh filters in the booth. There's less chance of contamination going onto the paint. You only have one hit with this. Out of the gun, it goes on once, that's it. If you get a little bit of dirt in there, a speck of dirt, it's either that we've got to live with it or redo the job again. We will always tell the customer that as much as we will try, there might be the odd imperfection, but this job has come out absolutely spot on. Really happy with this one. Like I say, conditions need to be perfect. Yes, the process is different. There's a hell of a lot more cleanliness that has to happen, and chance of rectification, you cannot polish this. We've done the whole side on this one, rear quarter, gone into the rear door, blended into the front wing, gone down the side skirt and the front bumper. The sheen is absolutely spot on.
Yeah, what an amazing episode, Bob. But who would know that this is actually that much more effort on the BMW? I mean, I learn something new every day here.
Yeah, well, certainly is a lot more effort, but like I say, if we don't shy away, we'll get the job done.
Looking forward to the exclusive event this Sunday.
I'm looking forward to that as well. So they want the car today, which is Saturday. They want it for tomorrow morning. We've given it a wash and a clean. They said that they'd give it another detail clean, ready for the showroom. But it'd be nice to see where they actually park it, how they display it, and ultimately, why did they actually want a ruby stone and what's their theme? I'm gonna get loads of footage while I'm there.
Please do, yeah. Who knows, guys, if you stay live this weekend, maybe we'll get some live snippets from the actual event itself. Definitely. Well, I think that's the end of another episode, right?
That's a wrap.
Perfect. Guys, like always, if you're enjoying the series, if you're enjoying the general updates that we're doing, please stay tuned. Make sure you
subscribe,
comment below,
and ring the bell.
So again, guys, thanks again for following, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time. We're here at Porsche Centre High Wycombe, Sunday, and look at the car park. Some serious stuff in here. GT2 996, absolutely stunning. Sounds wicked. Beautiful Audi there. Just the car park looks really cool. Everati have got their, I think that's electric. Yeah, the electric car there. And let's take a look inside, take inside a place. Now at 997, we've got outlawed plates. Looky. Look what we've got there. Wow. And this is what we're here for today. It's a watch launch. Look at that view, absolutely wicked. Gotta say, this is probably one of the nicest Porsche Centres. We've even got an upstairs, and that's my ultimate favourite, the Viola. I'm sure that's Viola, but ooh, that looks stunning. The 718 Spider RS or the yellow GT4 RS downstairs. You tell me which one. Let's guess the price tag on this GT3 RS. What do you think? Quick. Guess the price tag. 304,900. Wow. A 718 GT4 in yellow. Price tag 167,296. Looks really nice. Carbon everywhere. Looks absolutely stunning. I'm actually surprised. I thought these were a lot more money than that. Certainly a hell of a lot of car for that money. And they got two of them. Viola or shark blue? Which one? Well, it's time to do the swap again. We're giving back the 992. It's been a lovely weekend courtesy of Porsche Centre High Wycombe, and we're back in the 997 RUBYSTONE. So apparently from the reaction, we got some really good feedback on that car. So thank you very much, Porsche High Wycombe.